Are you making investment decisions based on social media? This video is for you. Hey guys, this is Hamza with Trading Secrets. I've been trading for the last 20 years. Stocks, crypto, real estate, merchandise, you name it, I've done it. Right here on this channel, I'll be sharing my journey with you all so you don't have to learn it the hard way. Guys, if you find any value in the content that I'm creating, please click on the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get right into it. Guys, it's easy to get caught up in the hype on social media. What you see on social media is not real. If you're buying stocks or you're buying crypto based on social media, there's somebody's hyping the stock up on TikTok or stock tweets, and they're just saying to the moon, it's gonna double, it's gonna triple, and you just buy it and then you see it crash. I've been there, done that, and I can tell you, always buy stocks, always invest based on your research. No matter how good somebody sounds, no matter how smart somebody sounds, this is your hard-earned money, right? You don't want to trust anybody when it comes to your hard-earned money. Their predictions can fail, right? Your gut feeling is the best thing that you can use to make decisions. Your gut feeling and your research, guys. When you're researching, look into the stock. If it's crypto, look at the utility, right? Look at the charts. Don't go all in. Stocks, look at the balance sheets. Look at how much cash the company has. Are they going to be diluting the shares? You're never going to know, but you can still assess the risk based on how much cash they have. If they don't have a lot of cash, right? A rule of thumb is that they should have at least 1 year of working capital, right? If they have less than that, chances are they're gonna dilute, right? As soon as the price goes up, they're gonna dilute, right? These people, they have people on social media, TikTok, who are pumping the stock, right? They're pumping it so it goes up. They're gonna drop some news, it's gonna pump, and then guess what? They're gonna do an offering. You're gonna be left holding the bag, right? You don't want to be that person. You want to be smart about your investments. You don't want to fall in for the hype. You want to stay real to yourself, and you want to be a serious investor, not a gambler, right? The loudest voices always get the most attention, right? But guess what? They're not like the most accurate ones at most of the times, right? I'm not saying all the time, but most of the time they're not the most accurate ones, right? You're gonna see people, they're bragging about their gains, and they're not gonna show you the losses. They're just gonna brag. They're gonna brag about the gains. And guess what, guys? You don't even know if they're a bag holder themselves, and they're just trying to offload their bags. They're trying to pump it, and then once it goes up, they're gonna offload the bag. And you're gonna be the buyer. You're gonna be the new bag holder. You don't want to be that person, right? So, guys, social media can be entertaining. Use it for entertainment, right? Not for investment. It can be a risky place to make financial decisions, guys. Rely on your research, not hype, and you'll avoid many costly mistakes. Guys, if you watched this far, I'm sure you found some value in the content. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I hope you have a wonderful day filled with health, wealth, and happiness, and I'll see you all next time.